Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. Welcome to the channel. This channel we do crafting, paper crafts, gardening sometimes, and once a month I show the Heartfelt Creations release for the month. This month it is the Wild Aster collection. Now, they had an Aster collection before. It's still one of my favorites, and they have done the purples again that go with this. Not that there's no other colors, but there are a beautiful collection of purples in here, and I just love asters. It is completely about the fall to me. When I put my fall foliage decorations up, that's what I'm looking for when I go looking for plants, is the purple mums and the purple asters. I just love that purple is a part of the fall. It looks so gorgeous with all the other colors. This is a very lovely sort of antiqued pink with the Aster collection, and the flowers that come with this, I think you're going to be able to use your basics mold. A lovely strip with the laces. Very pretty layout page, and the script, and more of the lace at the top. And if you don't usually buy or have not purchased Heartfelt Creations, they come with these prepared for your cards. You can just cut these out, put them on your cardstock, and start to use the sentiments that come along the edges and the sides. They have beautiful sentiment and cutout pages, and I just love the way all the clusters of the asters are just filling up all the space with those beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. A lovely stripe with some scroll work and ghosting on the script underneath. These beautiful clusters of cornered asters, so pretty. This is just such a beautiful time of year. Cool and filled with color, and of course living in New England, I'm so lucky I get to go outside and see all of the gorgeous colors. And I don't know how many people from New England are facing what I'm facing in the garden right now, which is that I'm still waiting for everything to come in, because it was just such a wet, late, cold spring that everything went in very late. And so I'm just starting to get red tomatoes, so I certainly hope I don't get a freeze here in southern New Hampshire. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the way that the light pink graduates into the violet color. Just beautiful. Lovely layout page. And then the 6 cutouts for the cards. Those pages are great. Look at it blends right in with all of the clusters of the asters and all of the corners and the little butterflies. That this tag page is, it almost looks as if it's one page because of all the clusters. Just beautiful. Love surrounding myself with flowers, whether it be in paper crafting. Those of you who love this is beautiful. Those of you that love paper like I do are going to probably adore this collection. So some nice striping with a general, if you were going to use it for a layout, a general sentiment running throughout. Very beautiful words, and yet you could take little sections of this and make them into cards. That's reminiscent of their butterfly collection. Some chevroning. Lovely colors, purples and violets and pinks and greens. And another tag page with Heartfelt's cute little tags running along the side. And then different shades of the purple. And these are great for popping on the top of your gifts, or you can put them inside your cards and stamp your sentiment, or you can just use the sentiments that Heartfelt supplies with them. This is a lovely stripe because it's not a flat edge. I like the fact that it has the curves all along the edges. Reminds me of some antique material and wallpaper that you might find, and the asters are placed every so often. A very close look at them, you can see all the vines and things in between, and this nice lacy section in the center. Beautiful. This is very mixed colors of light purples and light greens, and a cute little scene on the corner. Some of us might have the bridge, and we would recognize the bridge. So if you have the bridge die set and stamp, you might be able to add a little dimension to that and pop a sentiment on and make a card with that, or sparkle up your asters. And of course the stamps and the dies, which I'll show you in a minute, are going to be beautiful. I love this one. It's so pink and violety and just the right amount of green. Perfect for the inside of your card or the back, or if you're going to make a book, you could put on the in and out and make the lovely inserts. Now they gave 2 different pages of these ones this time that you can use your dies with and cut them out, which is great. So if you don't have time to color but you want to get some dimension, you can just use your die and pop these out and start working with them to create dimensional flowers on your artwork. A very lovely light violet, almost into pink, but still a bit on the violet side. And again, not a flat color, lots of dimension to the coloring that Heartfelt does. So I'm so sorry I've been so busy lately. School started about a month in. I have another job in school that I've added that I have to take care of, so it's been 4:30 in the morning and go until late in the evening, and I haven't even started rehearsals for choir, which are quite intense into the evening too. Okay, and then this lovely tan or almond colored page for some backgrounds and fill. These are your 6x6s. Again, it's almost hard to tell the difference with some larger tags down here. But these, oh, they're so pretty. I just love asters. And like I said, having the oranges and the yellows and the reds of the fall and being able to pop it with some purple. Just beautiful the way this goes around the circle and then has the white script with the light purples and greens, almost as if they were sponged on. Gorgeous. Some more of the 6x6s of the larger ones that we already saw. So hopefully I'll be able to find some quiet time to make some cards. And this lovely green tending towards lime. And I definitely want to get into some of those 8x8 albums that Heartfelt put out not so long ago. I have a wedding album to make, and I'll make videos of doing that so that maybe people can follow along if you have the insert albums from Heartfelt, or you can just follow along for fun. I love to watch videos and see what other people are doing and then not worry about having to follow along as well as actually following the instructions. This is a gorgeous purple. Again, not monotone. Has depth to it. I love all the lacy look to their papers. Just gorgeous. And here's their tag page with all kinds of sentiments if you're making a birthday card or thank you card. I miss you, congratulations. Words that you can just pop anytime. There's your stamps up in the corner. Some of us have the dies that cut all these different shapes out. And this is beautiful. This is a gorgeous color pink. Okay, so those are the papers. And now the beautiful asters. They have the Wild Aster spray. This would look so pretty, all sparkled up on the edges. A nice aster in the bottom. And then some branches of closed buds. And there are your sizes. So 4x1 for the, these are not small. These are beautiful rubber stamp sets. And the 1x7, 5 times 3x5, and 3 1/4 by 4 1/2 is the length of this one. And there's your die set that goes with the Wild Aster spray. And here's the Wild Aster scroll and cluster. So you get this pretty scroll, which you can stamp some sentiments on and pop it up and put, just like they did here, your little asters in the corners. And the Wild Aster scroll and cluster die set. And here's the Just Making Flowers one, right? Aren't they beautiful? So I would definitely do 2 layers of the flowers, and if you have the basics mold, you can just pop them in and start going. Look at that, that's so pretty. Okay, so this is 4.75 by 2.75, and then you get these 3 mini sized ones and a little bit of leaf, so you can add your leaves in. Just beautiful. I loved the first Aster collection, and this is going to be a great complement, or if you don't have any of them, this would be wonderful to get to start your Heartfelt Creations collection with. And HuckleberryHerbs.com. You can always email me at HuckleberryHerbsandArt7, the number 7, at gmail.com. I'll leave the information below. If I don't have something in the store that you want, I think I'm going to be getting at least these. I mean, we need the basics of the flowers, and put that in the store. Until next time, everybody. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry I haven't been making many videos, but it's been a very, very intense year so far for me. I will catch up. I can't wait to go sit at my desk and make some mini albums and some cards, and I definitely have to get going on Christmas. I'm already feeling behind. Hope you're all doing well. Please leave a comment below. Give me a like. Subscribe if you want to see the Heartfelt release every month, and hopefully I'll have some of those tutorials up. Till next time, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.